Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to fix if your wave bots they are not pairing or not charging and how you can actually fix it. So there is one tip that I have for you. Maybe it's going to work. So let me down below in the comments. We are going to do a factory reset. So what you want to do is that you're going to have a left earbud, and on your left earbud, what you want to do is you want to press it 3 times, and then on the third time, it's going to do a factory reset. So 3 times press, and the third time just hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, and I just hold. And right now I'm going to pair with my phone for you to see that this is a factory reset, that my phone is going to get disconnected. Okay, you see right here. So right now I will just put it back to the charging case. And voila, here we got it. So this is something that you can do, and this is something that possibly can work for you. Let me down below in the comments if it worked for solving the issue with not pairing, and also solving the issue with not working and not charging. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.